Let's take a few minutes to review these properties and place them with addition and multiplication. That's where you're going to normally see and use them. 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. In multiplication, 2 times 3 is equal to 3 times 2. It doesn't matter the order, you can flip the terms. Associative property. These are in the same exact order. They're usually 3 and we're going to keep that same order. But we will associate the first two terms, and on the other side of the equal sign, we'll associate the last two. The associative property of multiplication is similar. We'll have 2 times 3 times 4 is equal to 2 times 3 times 4. In this case, we will associate the first two terms, and in the last one, we will associate the last of the terms. It will all stay the same as your answer will be the same. Distributive property uses multiplication and addition in the same one. It looks like this. 5 times the quantity, 3 plus 2 is equal to, we will distribute this by doing multiplication. The first term, 5 times 3 is 15, and 5 times 2 is 10. And the reverse of this is also done, where you can take the factors of something. We can factor out a 6 from this and say 6 divides into 30 5 times, and 6 divides into 12 twice. So these would be similar, and that would be the distributive property. The identity property for addition tells us that if we want to have 10 as our answer, we have to add 0 to it in order to get our 10. So 10 is the add-in, and 10 is the sum. In multiplication, if we want to have 10 as our answer, we have to multiply by 1. Our inverse property for addition says that if we have a number 10, we have to subtract 10 from it in order to get it neutralized. That's a neutralization of our addition. The inverse of multiplication says that if you have a number 10, you need to divide by 10 in order to neutralize it. So you neutralize to 0 with addition, and you'll neutralize to 1 for multiplication. The 0 property really only works for multiplication. To get 0 as an answer in multiplication, we're going to have to take our number 17, let's say, and multiply by 0 in order to get a 0 for an answer. We already learned that if we needed a 0 for addition, it would be the inverse property that we would use. So that's a quick review of the other videos that we've done so far. You're going to need all these properties when we do algebraic equations.